everybody, William Miller, National Brand Manager with Cruiser RV, and Zach and I here are freezing, but this is Mr. Zach Weaver.
Hello.
What is the region or territory that you cover, Zach?
Yeah, Will, so I cover the whole center of the country, the Midwest, Texas, up to the Canadian border, all the central states.
What are some of the exterior features that you're getting feedback both from customers and dealers that they're most excited about?
First and foremost, the new exterior look. The new front cap and the paint and badge scheme, sidewall graphics, positive comments, people are loving the new look.
What we are talking about, Zach, is for all floor plans. Probably the biggest feature that I know of as a customer, which they always ask for, is storage. So what have you and the team done with Shadow Cruiser for that need?
We've enlarged the size of the baggage doors, which are already best in class. Already had over 40 cubic feet of pass-through storage here. We've now added what's called the full belly pass-through storage system, which is patent pending, so it's Cruiser RV exclusive. And what it does is opens up this tray, it recesses down into the underbelly, pulls out so you can easily access all your stuff you're loading in there and doesn't take up any space in the already large pass-through.
I understand that you and the team have done some things differently to help prevent delamination issues.
We replaced Luan backer with an Asdel composite panel.
Okay.
So Asdel is 50% lighter than wood, won't mold, rot, or mildews. Like you mentioned, is going to prevent a delamination from happening. It's got some sound deadening properties too that Luan didn't have. So just a great product to have on your trailer.
What is this next feature that with Shadow Cruiser is standard?
All Shadow Cruiser floor plans for 2021 have standard power stabilizer jacks. It's not an option that you have to option in, and a lot of our competing products don't offer it even as an option. So this is going to make it just a whole lot easier and more fun to keep.
I'm a bigger guy. Going in and out of the coach, very, very easy. Why is that?
Well, that's because we use a 30-inch wide entry door, where industry standard is 26 to 28 inch is what most brands are using. Then we put the solid foldable steps on and a large grab handle.
We talk about extended season RVing. What is that?
You know, it's gonna extend the season a little bit longer in the fall, get the customers out a little bit sooner in the spring.
Okay.
It's gonna come with a standard enclosed underbelly, radiant foil insulation in the underbelly around the holding tanks and the plumbing lines, and then a dedicated heat duct that's forced air into the underbelly. Standard on every Shadow Cruiser with an outdoor kitchen, and that's about half of our floor plans have the outdoor kitchen. We switched to this just for the 2021 model year. We used to have the 2-burner range also. You know, the Blackstone griddles are getting so popular. If I was camping, this would be a must for me. I'd much rather have this than a 2-burner range.
These are much easier to clean and maintain.
Yep, absolutely. I mean, you really don't clean it. You season it to begin with, and then it's just some water. You clean it off, flip this over, push it in when it's cool, and you're good to go.
Is there some intent as to why there's 2 gutters?
To make sure these things don't leak, right? So we do every step we can possibly do for that. The slide out's got a double slide wipe seal all the way around it. It's obviously got the main gutter up top, but we put this secondary gutter on, and you can see it extends past the slide out, ends on either side, and that's just to divert that water to not even hit the seals as much as we can do.
But not every brand does that.
No, that's not on every brand for sure.
I want to talk about what's going to be standard and what features you're most excited about for this year.
Sure. Well, the only thing we're going to see that's an option right now is this TV.
Okay.
Everything else we see is going to be standard. Super excited about the countertop space, the 3-burner range with the glass cover. So this is extra countertop when you're not cooking. This new coach is under 28 feet, 25 doors, drawers, and cubbies in it. It's just loaded down with storage. This unit would come standard with a U-shaped convertible comfort dinette, but if a customer wants recliners, we can option in these theater seats.
And this table is easy to store. They're simply just going to lift it up.
Put the arm bracket right in this cabinet on the end table, and I put the tabletop itself under the mattress just so it's not sliding around in transit.
In the master suite, what's unique to Shadow Cruiser?
The king bed slide system. So it allows me to reach under the bed rail here, unlock the bed, and just very easily I can now push it to either side wall. Creates enough space that I can sit down, put my shoes on the end table. I can make the bed easier. And again, this will come to the other side as well. You can push it either way.
Whether you're a dealer that doesn't currently have our line or a customer that wants to learn more, what would be the best way for them to do so?
Get on cruiserrv.com. We've got a dealer locator and all the product info's there. 360 tours, video tours of a lot of the floor plans.